My sister and I came out to speak on what Chris Okafor did to me. And for the past how many days now, she has been complaining. A lot of things we have been experiencing in this house is no joke. It's no joke at all. Strange things are going on. Strange things are happening. Because you cannot come out physically to harm us. You can't come out physically to do us any harm. But you know voodoo cannot be proved. But this is me creating awareness to the world. Some things are going on. My sister has been having this strange thing going on with her. She told me she cannot breathe properly. Now, the thing she's experiencing is if she coughs, she will start urinating on her body. Those that have the IQ of spirituality can understand that this is not ordinary. My child woke up all of a sudden and held me. Daddy, he placed his hand placed my hand on his tummy. Since that time, if any little movement, he will come back and say, Mommy, Tommy, and he will stand for me to pray for him. Strangely, something all of a sudden started hitting the rooftop of this house. Chris, you know you boasted to me that you have powers. This is not a mess. This is not an allegation. You boasted it to me. You made a boast to me that you have powers. You made a boast to me that you have powers. Chris, my mother spoke about you when you were arguing that the bride price they gave you, the list they gave you was too much, and you were arguing. When you were arguing,
your sister says she has pardoned herself. Let her speak. Let people hear her from this.
I put my mom on call.
Calm down. She says she has pardoned herself. That peace is coming out uncontrollably. Talk. Let them hear you. Go this thing.
That's you, Ekwoku.
I pardon myself. Oh, a young lady like me, we will just come out from my body. We will just drop it out of my
Nigerians, can you hear? Because most of you are saying, let this man move on, let this man move on. This man cannot move on. This man killed my mother and killed my father and killed my elder brother. Each time they come and complain, my father called me and said, Ebere, come back to the east. Let us see what this man is doing to you. You're supposed to have gotten married. This man has what it takes to marry you, but since he's deceiving you, he's destroying your life. Come back. Naive me, I complained. Naive me complained to Chris Okafor, thinking he's a human being. After complaining, my father, under 24 hours, could not urinate, could not poo-poo, could not do anything. He locked up this man's poo-poo. This man died within 24 hours. My mom, the same thing. After he was talking about my bride price paying, my mom came out and said, okay, let's do it like this. It's not a must you do everything. If you truly want to marry my daughter, do it this way, do it this way. After that call, my mom fell ill and my mom died. When this whole issue was going on, my elder brother called Chris when he was blabbing on the altar that he's powerful, that he can wipe away these people in a blink of an eye. My elder brother saw that video and called Chris when nothing should happen to his sister. Immediately after that call, my brother fell ill. Hiccup, urinated, got swollen and died. Chris Okafor, if you come for my sister, if you come for any of my family, I will go to any length to do you things. Because you can no longer steal anybody from my household. I was naive there that you came to. You cannot come and ruin my life like that. I will no longer cry on any camera with you. Chris Okafor, I am going to go through any length. Be ready, oh. Be ready. I beg you to be ready. Because everything you did to me is really, really eating me up. I can no longer keep quiet anymore. Chris Okafor, you killed my mother, you killed my father. Because you know we cannot prove voodoo. Now you're going to attack my elder sister because she came out and spoke about what you did. Best nationalites, people can see what is going on. This is not God, though. This is not God trying to fight for him because this man does not know any God. He doesn't know any God. He's evil. He's diabolic. He boasted he has powers. He boasted it to me that he has powers. You cannot kill my sister. I bet it with you. You've never seen a baby. You think it's that naive a baby that you destroyed? But I'm going to tell you. Oh, God. Nigerians, you can see for yourself. Nigerians, you can hear for yourself. There is something happening to my sister. If that woman, anything happens to my sister, Grace will not go scot-free, oh. Grace will not go scot-free. A young lady is now partying. She's urinating on her body. A young lady is padding. She's written on her body. Nigerians are keeping quiet. Nigerian people are keeping quiet. They don't want to do anything. I'm watching this man do evil. Whoever I speak to about this case, the person will tell me, just make sure you keep alive. Whatever you can do to stay alive. Whatever you can do is to stay alive. A woman is crippled right now because of Chris Okafor. Something came out from the water and beats that woman on her leg. The woman can no longer walk till today. They are all scared to come out and talk. Chris Okafor.